Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday. And today we've got Rockstar Focus Energy and Mental Boost Orange Pineapple.
Wow. Yeah, that
exactly.
was 4 hours ago.
Yeah, but so let's see, we got ourselves 0 sugar and 200 milligrams of caffeine.
That might be enough.
Exactly. So we got ourselves in the important factoids. We got ourselves 0 calories. We got ourselves 30 milligrams of sodium. We got ourselves 16 milligrams of niacin, 1.7 milligrams of B6, 2.4 micrograms of B12, and 5 milligrams of some lovely acid. That's definitely fizzy.
Far.
Yeah.
And this is another 0 sugar?
Yep, 0 sugar. Ooh, nice. Sharpen the bubbles. Yeah, nice, light, and smooth. That's definitely. Yeah. Get just a little bit of pineapple, just a little bit of orange flavor, but it's nice, crisp, light, and smooth.
Very good combo.
That's pretty good.
I like it.
Nice. Really, really good.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because it's like
That's a Rockstar, huh?
It's a Rockstar, yep. Rockstar Focus Energy and Mental Boost.
It's definitely a different taste than the original Rockstar.
Those things have a lot of sugar.
Oh,
Lots of syrup.
It was that weird amber, sort of looked like raw honey, sort of. Oh, the original energy drinks.
Yeah.
Gonna
Something
kill a
else.
guy.
That's tasty. I like that.
I like that.
Got a nice amount of bubbles to cleanse the palate, but then a nice, very smooth and sharp taste. So I like that really, really much.
Flavor.
Yeah, it is really, really good. So I'd say that's a 392 SRT that I can go and get every once in a while, because that's pretty tasty.
Over some sherbet.
Yeah, over some sherbet, that would be good. So like it. So alrighty guys, check it out. Orange Pineapple Rockstar Focus with Mental Boost.
Unleash your inner rock star.
Yep. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. See you guys here next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.